What's going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you a brand new Genesis mining video. In this video, I want to show you guys the profitability right now of the 2-year Monero mining contract on Genesis mining. Recently, the price of Monero has been going up like crazy. We hit this, huge, just parabolic move here. We went as high as $145. Right now, we're at $118, and whenever a coin goes up a lot in value, that makes the mining a lot more profitable. Of course, that usually results in a difficulty increase, but as you can see, the Monero difficulty increased, but it's been, kind of leveling out here recently. So not much movement besides this little spike. As you can see, it's a lot more sustainable compared to a mining difficulty such as Ethereum. It's a lot more consistent and stable. So I want to show you guys the profitability of this contract. So let's say you were to purchase 10,000 hashes, which is $8,000. I only have like 400 or 300 hashes of Monero, which is earning me maybe $1 per day, probably not even that. So basically, over here on the Monero mining calculator, current difficulty, no maintenance fees. On Genesis mining, the 2-year contracts have no maintenance fees whatsoever. The Bitcoin contracts are the only contracts with maintenance fees. Of course, that is currently sold out. Definitely looking for those to come back soon. But yeah, no power cost, 10,000 hashes, no pool fees. Basically, if you do use my promo code for an upgrade like this, it would take out about $240. So a nice little chunk out of there. So total price would be $7,760. Let's hit calculate. Days to break even is 301 days. You'll make $25 a day, $180 per week, $772 a month, and $9,404 yearly. So you're basically making about 9.4K a year off of a $8,000 investment. Like I said, about 7.6 or so. Now, of course, those numbers sound pretty good, right? It's a good long-term passive income investment. You're getting that daily income every single day, which is great. I love investing into cloud mining because I just love getting that guaranteed income coming to my Bitcoin wallet every single day. But now there is the difficulty. Now, it's a lot better compared to Ethereum, the Monero difficulty, but as you can see, May it was 7 billion, I believe that is. 7, yeah, I believe that's 7 billion. So May 6th, it was 7 billion, and as you can see, August 21st, it's 16 billion. So it went up, more than double within just a few months. So I mean, that's the thing you have to consider. You have to, factor in, how high you really think the Monero price is going to go. Now the market cap's 1.7 billion. Obviously, right now we're having a little bit of a consolidation move after hitting our all-time high. So who knows if this is going to even be sustainable at the time. But who knows? Long term, you could hit $200, $300, who knows, $400 for Monero. There's a limited supply. So personally, I might just actually start upgrading my contract simply because I'm addicted to upgrading. I want to start putting more money into Genesis mining. Like I said, I'm itching for those Bitcoin contracts to come back, but if they don't come back in quite a while, I might just start upgrading the Monero contract just because I love getting that guaranteed income every single day coming into my wallet. So based on these numbers, it's really it really comes down to you if you think it's profitable or not. Like I said, it's a 2-year contract, so there is a chance you can break even depending on how high the Monero price goes. But you have to consider if you're just better off holding the coin. So 301 days to break even on a 2-year contract. It leaves a whole year for profit. But like I said, difficulty is the only factor holding you back, and of course the price going up kind of counteracts that. So in US dollar form, of course. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to show you the profitability. Let me pull up TradingView real quick and cover what's been going on within the market really recently. So we saw a little pullback, nothing not, I wouldn't say a huge crash, but we saw a little pullback here in Bitcoin, all-time high of about we rejected from 5,000, which I expected. Set lower lows here, still in this kind of downtrend formation, trying to break out of it with higher highs, but it's not looking too good for the bulls right now. Bitcoin 4,600, Ethereum 350, Litecoin 80. If you were just simply holding these big names over the course of the last few weeks, this correction really shouldn't even affect you too much. So nothing really to worry about here. Just healthy consolidation. We'll see if we can get the uptrend going again, but that's basically pretty much what's going on in the market right now. I am still holding my Ethereum, so pretty much just playing that out. I'm still in profit, about up $50 per coin. So I mean, I'm not stressing about anything. Just letting it sit there, just holding it. So that's the update on that. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I also have a Twitter account where I'm gonna start using that more actively. So in the link, in the description down below, you guys can follow my Twitter. I'm always just kind of tweeting up updates and stuff when I post videos, just kind of thoughts and stuff about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, stuff like that. So if you're interested in following that, link down below in the description. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace out.